Hello, peace. Hello, Norway. Good mornings. This is our Norwegian cats. Peace. Do you wanna eat something? Peace, 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 peace. Hmm. Peace, 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 peace. Peace, 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 peace. And this is our school. We are meetings. Just I want to show you our nice cats. Everybody love it. Hello, kitty. Yes, the weather is raining. Nice garden. The school is closing, but we have meetings. We are going to have meeting about Corona and how is peace. Come here. Come. I will give you milk. It's raining too much. Summer, but we have rain. This is our big school. All the buildings, and here the new buildings, and we have sport area, football, basketball, and playing everything. And the bicycle can stop here. Yes, like this. Okay guys, have a nice time. I am going to jump. Bye bye.